And then we have these little guys. So we had horses at one point whenever I was younger, and I'm very familiar with these. So I was thinking to myself whenever I was considering cheaper netting options, how can I attach this to a T-post reliably without the line splitting on the middle? And I was looking at caps and stuff, and I knew you could do zip ties, but I was like, well, I don't know that the zip ties are going to hold very well under the weight. So what about the insulators for electric fence? So I bought 2 bags of these. I think I may have some left. I did 4 on every T-post, and they look a little odd, but there's a reason for that. There's a reason I spaced them out like that. The upper ones, they're going to hold more weight than the bottom ones. Those are for moral support down here, essentially, and to keep the weed eater or mower or tiller from hooking on the bottom of the fence. We don't want to do that. And so these right here, I think they were $6.50 a bag, $7 a bag, $8 a bag, something like that. We're going to assume that they were $7 a bag. And